Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving southwest on Lois Path towards Leonie Forbes Path in Cooreville Gardens, Kingston 20, St. Andrew Parish. Turning off Lois Path onto Leonie Forbes Path, and on the left is Joe-Gibbs Path. The community of Cooreville Gardens, located off Washington Boulevard, was named for David Coore, Jamaica's Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Finance in the 1970s. Also, the streets of Cooreville Gardens are named after famous Jamaican artists in recognition of their contribution in music and the theatre, and Leonie Forbes Path is named after Leonie Forbes. The road is impassable, as well as the road ends a few meters ahead. Leonie Evadne Forbes OD, born the 14th of June 1937 and died 25th of October 2022, was a Jamaican actress, broadcaster, and producer who was active in theatre, radio, and television. We are back on Lois Path. To learn more about Leonie Forbes, please check the video description. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.